Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Ylopo marketing tools, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Ylopo website. Log into your Ylopo account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Marketing Tools tab in the main navigation menu. Click on the Marketing Tools tab to access the available tools. Scroll through the list of tools to find the ones relevant to your marketing needs. Select the tool you wish to install. Read the description of the tool to ensure it meets your requirements. Look for the Install button and click it to commence the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts that appear during the installation. You may be required to grant certain permissions for the tool to function properly. Make sure to allow any necessary permissions to ensure smooth operation. Once the installation is complete, navigate back to the Marketing Tools tab. Check for the newly installed tool in your tools list. Click on the tool to start configuration. Follow the setup wizard that guides you through the configuration options. Customize the tool according to your marketing strategy and objectives. Make sure to save your settings once you have finished configuring. Finally, test the tool to ensure it operates as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.